Hello everybody. Today I have come up with a new lesson known as respiration in organisms. So some of the important features present in this lesson are this respiration cycle. Very important is cells. Very important, and this fluid is also very important. And which is somewhat important. Now these are the very important pictures. Pictures of spiracles and cockroaches, exchange of guys in earth form, lungs in frog and gills in fish. Okay, see my pictures. Mm, See, this is my laboratory notebook. See, there is lungs, and then there's one what far. Uh, yeah, not this. This. So pictures of fish, frog, etc. Okay. So you must listen very carefully, two to three times to get everything understand in your mind. I'm going to definitions. Okay, not so definitions are there. Definitions: respiration, the process of breakdown of food in the cells with the release of energy. Process of breakdown of food in the cells with the release of energy. Okay, aerobic respiration, type of respiration which breakdown of food substances takes place in the presence of oxygen with the release of large amount of energy. Type of respiration is breakdown of food substances take place in the presence of oxygen, release a large amount of energy. Okay, anaerobic respiration, type of respiration in which breakdown of food substances takes place in absence of oxygen with a small amount of energy. Anaerobic respiration, a type of respiration in which breakdown of food substance takes place in the absence of oxygen with the release of only a small amount of energy. So aerobic respiration in the presence of oxygen, while anaerobic respiration in the absence of oxygen. Okay, aerobic respiration large amount of energy, while anaerobic respiration small amount of energy. Okay, this is the difference. The main things: inhalation, taking in air rich in oxygen in the body, taking in of air rich in oxygen into the body, taking in of air rich in oxygen into the body. Exhalation, giving out of air rich in carbon dioxide, giving out of air rich in carbon dioxide. Inhalation means taking in of air rich in oxygen, while exhalation means giving out of air rich in carbon dioxide. Okay, ब्रीदिंग रेट, नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स पर्सन ब्रीद इन मिनट, एक मिनट में पर्सन जितना टाइम ब्रीद करते हैं उसको ब्रीदिंग रेट बोलते हैं. ओके, now we are going to the objectives of the question. Answer in one or a few words. Muscular floor of chest cavity. Okay, muscular floor of chest cavity. It is known as diaphragm. It is known as diaphragm. Air tips of insects trachea. Air tips of insects is trachea. Small opening on sides of body of insects spiracles. Small opening on side of the body of insect is spiracle. Windpipe in humans trachea. Windpipe in human trachea. Tiny pores on the surface of leaf. Tiny spores on the surface of leaf is known as stomata. Always remember, air tube of insects is known as trachea. It is EAE, while opening humans windpipe is not trachea, only EA. This is the difference on the spelling. Okay. Now true or false? Complete breakdown of food takes place during anaerobic respiration is false. Complete breakdown of food takes place during aerobic respiration. Okay. During heavy exercise, the breathing rate slows down. This is also false. During heavy exercise, breathing rate always gets fast. Okay. One inhalation and one exhalation constitute one breath. It is true. One inhalation and one exhalation constitute one breath. Okay. Frogs breathe through their moist skin. Okay. Frogs breathe through their moist skin. Okay. Fish as land. This is true. Fish respire through structures called trachea. This is false. Fish respire through structures called gills. Okay. Gills. Size of chest cavity increases during inhalation. True. Size of chest cavity increases during inhalation. Okay. Frog. Match the following: skin. Skin means skin is earthworm breathes through skin, while frog breathes through skin and lungs. Okay, yeast respires yeast is anaerobe. It respires anaerobically. Okay, diaphragm. Diaphragm is the floor of chest cavity. Okay, diaphragm is floor of chest cavity. Old stems, lenticels are present in old stems. Okay, while windpipe mm, windpipe means trachea. A windpipe of humans is trachea. Okay, opening of trachea. mm, Opening of trachea in cockroaches is known as spiracles. Okay, spiracles. MCQs. When acceleration, ribs move downwards. Okay, the acceleration, ribs move downwards. Normal rate of breathing per minute in normal at least is 12 to 24. Okay, 12 to 24 breath per minute. Okay, during heavy exercise, athletes get cramp in the legs due to accumulation of lactic acid. Okay, accumulation of lactic acid. The end products of respiration are carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Carbon dioxide, water, and energy. A process in which exchange of gases takes place is known as breathing. Process in which exchange of gases takes place is called as breathing. Okay, breathing. Now we are going to the crossword. Crossword puzzle. Process in which food is broken down and energy is released. Known as respiration. Okay, respiration. respiration. Okay, taking of air reaching oxygen. That is known as inhalation. Inhalation, main organ main organ in respiration of humans, that is lungs. Okay, lungs. Term used to describe one expression, breath. Okay, breath. Opening through which exchange of gases takes place in old statement is known as lenticel. Known as lenticel. Okay. Respiration in presence of oxygen, that is known as aerobic respiration. Okay, respiration. Opening present on a body surface of a cockroach for gas exchange is known as spiracles. Okay, spiracles. Giving out of air using carbon dioxide, that is known as hmm, giving out of an additional exhalation. Okay, exhalation. Physical process of exchange of gases in organism. Physical process of gases of exchange of gases in organism, that is known as breathing. Okay, breathing. Organism respiring absence of oxygen, that is known as anaerobe. Okay, anaerobe, only called as anaerobe. Spelling of anaerobe is anaerobe. mm, uh, ANEAROBE, anaerobe. Okay, it's respiratory organ of fish, that is known as gill. Respiratory organ of fish, that is known as gill. Okay, now we're going to answer briefly. Why do we require oxygen? Oxygen required for oxidation of food. Okay, oxidation of food. In breathing, is the same as respiration? No, breathing is just physical process. Respiration is the process of breakdown of food. So respiration is a chemical process which involves the breakdown of food and release of energy. Okay, why does an athlete breathe faster after finishing a race? Faster breathing gives heavy. What is more energy as a result? Oxygen becomes available to the body cells. Okay. Mention the end products of respiration. End products of respiration are energy, water, and carbon dioxide. Okay. Energy, water, and carbon dioxide. Why do we sneeze when we inhale dust laden air? Sneezing through the dust particles inhaled. Okay. Sneezing through the dust particles inhaled. The odd one out by giving results. Yeast anaerobic respiration, glucose, oxygen. So oxygen is the answer, or it's expressed anaerobically. Okay. Breathing, cellular respiration, aerobes, anaerobes. Okay, breathing, cellular respiration, aerobe. Anaerobe do not breathe. Okay, anaerobe do not breathe. Okay, they do not release oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, they digest food in the absence of in the absence of oxygen. Okay, inhalation, exhalation, ribs moving downwards, diaphragm moving up. Reduction diaphragm means inhalation is wrong, because it is during inhalation it doesn't move downwards and diaphragm doesn't move upwards. Okay, pedicles, cockroaches, trachea, earthworm. This earthworm breathe through skins. Okay, earthworm doesn't breathe through spiracles. Okay, today with this much you can stick this page like me, like I have done for easy learning. Okay, so read the lesson very carefully, very important lesson. And I have solved the objectives today for this much. Bye bye. Do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe and comment also. So bye bye.